This is the first job opening that we have, which is for the SOC. SOC L1, SOC L2 is the opening. 125 Noida is the location. 50K is what they can pay you. This is CTC, and experience is up to 1 year of experience. So guys, this is for freshers, right? And in case if you don't know about SOC, if you want to learn about SOC, because there's a lot of hiring, you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/SOC, right? These are things that you need to do. Okay, this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. If you have any question, you can contact this up, right? Now Qualysys is looking for freshers for all those technical and technical degrees, but the main point is penetration testers they are looking, which is absolute freshers, right? And this is you can scan to get the direction where they are heading for. It's Bhubaneswar, 29 of November, 10:15 to 12 p.m. The timing when which at which interview will be conducted. And guys, like it's for pen testing. So in case if you want to learn about pen testing, then you can check out this or VIEH.com/DCI. Now next one is Sky Art is hiring for cybersecurity interns. Duration is 6 months, days per week work. So what you will do, SOC, VFT, red teaming, digital forensics, all those things. Who can apply? All those people. Perks are internship certificate, PPO, real work experience, and this is the mail ID on which you can send your resume. Next one is hiring for someone is hiring for one of their client. 2 years to 4 years experience required. You will be doing VAPT. Requirement is you can see here, right? And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? And yes, if you get selected, you'll get a reward back. Someone is hiring for freshers, all those freshers positions, right? You can drop your resume here in Kerala. Someone is hiring for application consultant in Mumbai, all time cybersecurity, key responsibilities are all those things. They are the required qualification. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Just you need to follow this application security, all those things you need to mention on the subject line, right? Secure Minds is hiring for cybersecurity interns. These are the open positions: VAPT engineer, VAPT specialist, ICAIML engineer, from 5 years experience. It's Bangalore, like most likely. And this is a mail on which you can drop your resume: sachin.secureminds.pro. Someone is hiring for interns, security researcher, hr@accelerate.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. That's all for today, guys. This is the if you want to learn about web application pen testing, and this is want to learn about SOC. Since there is no question till now, no one is asking any question. We are just binding up the session. So thank you very much everyone for joining this. Have a great day. Jai Hind.